to the show. RacerX here. Another Coffee Friday, Supercar Coffee Friday. So won't you hang around, see what comes up. Not sure if I'm going to go for a drive with one of the boys afterwards, but we'll see. Got the Gallardo all set up and ready to go with some cameras on it. And going to fire it up here in a second. Nico should be showing up. So stay tuned. We should be having some fun today. It's another Supercar Coffee Friday. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share it with some friends hopefully, and make a comment if you wish. Please, that'd be nice. And we will see you in the upcoming moments. RacerX out of here. Yeah, and it starts recording right away. All right, bud, I'll see ya.
Okay. You're right.
By the time you made a decision.
Probably take that right here. There we go. There's a good shot of the interior of this Can-Am. Beautiful car. Got it. Show. To the Prius.
Hey, so there you have it. What a great Supercar Coffee Crew Friday. And joined by some new guys. John Lau joined us. That was fun. He had the McLaren with like almost 1,000 horsepower. That thing was sick. Threw some flames. Met up eventually by Danny P, 1818. At his restaurant. We had a great crew showing up. Cam brought out his Can-Am limited edition black carbon fiber body McLaren, beautiful car with the red stripe, number 5 on the side. You'll see it in the video, of course. And we had Nico there, of course. We had Peter. Simon wasn't able to make it. Had a few other guys show up. Qua showed up in his 720S Spider. And we had a new guy, Najee. Najee joined us from the local area here. And we met him on Sunday in Pleasanton for our little short drive hookup with Daniel. So tomorrow we have something on the docket in the way of another drive, and we're going to be heading out with the Lambo crew of the South Bay, my friends Abid and let's see, Benoit, not gonna make it. Who else? Merrick, and geez, I'm forgetting another name right now. Forgive me. But we're gonna have a short drive in the foothills, and then up to Woodside later for lunch with some more Supercar guys, and maybe I'll be able to film something there too. We'll see how that all turns out. And also, I want to make you aware of at the Sonoma Raceway, there's going to be something called the Show and Shine, and it's put on by a friend of mine, Scott, up in Sonoma, and he helps benefit a children's preparedness program for college. And so do plan on attending that. If you want to show your car off, if you got a car to show, hit the SonomaRaceway.com website and register for $20. And there are over 400 cars there last year. A lot of good times will be had, and some of us may be even going to a little after party with Scott. So stay tuned for that. Maybe we'll have a little something coming up on that too. Also, I just want to make sure that you do like, subscribe, and share. And do comment, if you would, please. Share with me what you want to see in the way of content. If you like seeing the drives, if you like seeing, more car stuff, whatever. Thanks very much for tuning in. And we will see you on the road tomorrow. RacerX FPV out of here. See you tomorrow.